Okay, today we are going to work on probability of at least one success. Samar is an expert marksman. When he takes aim at a particular target on the shooting range, there is a 9.95, which is 95% probability that he will hit it. So we know that the probability of hitting target is 95% or 0.95. Okay. Now, one day, Samar decided to attempt to hit 10 such targets in a row. Assuming that Samar is equally likely to hit each of the 10 targets, what is the probability that he will miss at least one of them? So miss at least one of them. So we want to know the complement of the probability of hitting the target. So we're going to have 1 minus the 0.95 of him making the target raised to the 10th power. So if we go to our calculator, now you can use your phone calculator or use the calculator here that Khan Academy provides you. 1 minus 0.95, close parentheses, and raise that to the 10th power, we get the probability of 0.40 rounded to the nearest 10th would be 0.4. So 0.4 is our answer. That would be the probability of at least one miss. Let's try another one for our understanding. All right. When Julia is writing a first draft, there is a 0.7 probability that there will be no spelling mistakes on the page. So the probability of no mistakes is 0.70. 0.7. Okay. One day, Julia writes a first draft that is 4 pages long. Assuming that Julia is equally likely to have a spelling mistake on each of the 4 pages, what is the probability that she will have no spelling mistakes on at least one of them? So we want the probability of at least one without mistakes. So we want the complement of this, remember, so we want 1 minus, and we need the 0.3 raised to the 4th power because we know that 0.3 plus 0.7 equals 1 whole, but we want the probability, we need to take the complement of what we have here. So let's work on this. We have 1 minus 0.3 raised to the 4th power because there's 4 pages equals 0.99. And we check, and we get that right. Okay, so if any questions, just remember, whatever you're given here, you always want to take the complement of that, which is the 1 minus the probability of the event happening. If you're given a probability of something else happening, you need to subtract that probability from 1 like we did here. The probability of no mistakes here was 0.7. We wanted the complement of that, which was the 0.3, and to subtract that from 1. Okay, so this was the probability of at least one success.